What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error. So how to fix this error? And the error is WV-109168-5, and error has occurred while connecting to PlayStation network. So that's how the connection problem or server problem. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen, and we go to settings, and there is a network view, PlayStation network status. You must check the status. Sometimes the server is down and doing maintenance or working on update. That's why you get this error. Here's all is green. If you get the red option, you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. Do nothing. If you get the green, then you must check your internet connection. Sometimes having a problem. DNS primary, DNS secondary, DNS MTU settings 1500. You can change it, search it, which one is working good in your country and region. Just put it back here and then connect it. And I'm just going to suggest you use a LAN cable, then the Wi-Fi directly connected from the router to PlayStation 4 or 5, and you will get the better speed. And in the last, you just contact with your local internet provider. Maybe they will fix your connection or test your own internet connection. So simply that's how you can fix this. And I hope so you found my video helpful for you. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.